Hello and welcome to back to my channel. Today I'm recording this video to show you, for those of us who are doing the hamster, I'm recording this to show you how to the major things you need to be doing, how to run the art, what you need to be doing in order to be claiming your daily combo and all that. Are you here? Stay with me as I show you how to do this. We'll quickly go to Hamster Kombat and open it. So once you load it, outside the tapping, let me just show you the major things you need to do with your hamster. First of all, there's been arguments around whether what hamster will use the more is the profit per hour, which is the one found here up by my right, or it's the major coin on your dashboard. Now what I will say is that the both are important, right? Do not ignore any of them. They are both important because first of all, the profit per hour is more of a passive income generator, while the normal tapping and the coins that come to your dashboard are what you earn actively. Both of them are important. I will not say they're not important. Now what I discovered is that if you cannot tap your way to, like for example this 57 million, it's very difficult to tap, because what's the highest you can tap? This end per tap. What's the highest you can do? It's very hard. So but if you increase your passive income, then getting to this kind of amount will not even be difficult for you. So that's why you need to concentrate more, if you ask me, on the profits per hour. That's one. Then secondly, if you come to the dashboard, like for example you can see that I'm on the master dashboard now. Can you see that I'm being rated not from the money I have on my dashboard? Take a look at this. I have 57 million on my dashboard, but can you see that on the leaderboard I'm not there? Look at where I am. I'm currently, look at 0 David 270 296 28. Can you see? So it means even on the leaderboard, what they use for rating is not the money on your dashboard, but the money in your profits per hour. Do you understand? So this is a hitter. And then even if you go check their read their news, you see them mentioning that make sure you do not keep coins, always spend and invest your coins wisely. What does this tell you? I think it tells you to pay more attention to your profits per hour. So now the next question is, how do you increase your profits per hour? That's what I'm going to cover now. Now to increase your profits per hour, what you have to do is to come to mine. Especially if you are starting, if you're just starting, I would say come to N and make sure you do all these taxes. They are very simple. You just click and then you check. You click, you check, okay? And then also do as much as possible to invite people. You can, okay? Now let's go back to increasing our profits per hour. If you want to increase, if you want to unlock all the spots and also claim your daily token, for example, you can see they said today's token, which I've already collected, is influencers, meme coin and shitcoin. Now what happens is you simply scroll down and look for meme coin. Can you see meme coin here? Meme coin is here, 85,000. You buy it. And then what else again do we have? And we have influencers. Now let's check influencers here. Now you may notice that some of them are locked. For example, can you see margin trade 75 is locked? But look, whenever they tell you anyone is locked, when you see a padlock, just look down. Can you see down here? We have level 0. For me to unlock level 0, I have to reach short squeeze level 10. Do you understand? Now I'll come over and look for short squeeze. Where is short squeeze here? I'll look for short squeeze. Where is short squeeze? If you don't find it under markets, you scroll down to the next. You scroll to the next one. Are you seeing it? This is the major thing you need to understand. You can see, okay, short squeeze is also not here. If it's not here, you go to legal, you check it. Where is short squeeze? Where is short squeeze? Okay, it's also not in legal. Then you come to specials. On specials, you check if it's among the ones you've already unlocked. If it's not there, then you simply come, okay, good. Can you see short squeeze? They said they need to be on level 10 and currently it's on level 6. So what you do, I'll click to unlock to upgrade it. Now it's on level 7. I'll click again to upgrade it. Now it's on level 8. I'll click again to upgrade it. Now it's on level 9. I'll click to upgrade it. Boom, now it's on level 10. Can you see? Now I'm going to go back to with higher levels. Do you understand? Okay, that's the second major thing I need to show you. Now let's look at the next feature, which is the latest feature they just launched, which is the what do they call it? Something game, the second game. So the first thing you need to know in order to go into the mode of that is you need to tap this end per tap 3 times. Now take a look. 1, 2, 3. Now you notice that this ball is going to turn to red, right? The daily cipher game, yes. Now please, there are two words you can do. There are 2 elements you can generate: the tap, which generates the ball or the dot, and then the press and hold, which generates the dash. Now the combination of the daily code will be maybe dot dot dash to get one word, or dash dot, or dash dash dot. Do you understand? So please pay attention to what the word of the day is. It always comes with whether it's a dash dot or dot dash or whatever. So for example, they tell us to do maybe today's trade is, for example, the first one was BTC. Now to form B, you look what does it require to form B? if maybe they say dash dot dot, maybe dash B will be dash, T will be dot, C will be dot. It means we're going to do dash, and to get dash, you say we're going to press and hold it, dash, then dot, dot. Do you understand? That is it. It will now form. Okay, so I've already done mine for today. If not, I will have done it practically so that you see it. But it's very simple, guys. Please pay attention, do this, and you'll notice how simple it is. Okay, I think this is the second basic thing that you need to know about the Hamster Kombat game. Okay, and then okay, the next one is also the boost. So once you've tapped for that day and you've already completed your tap, you may want to use the free boost. So they have something you cannot use the boost at once. So it takes 1 hour, as you can see. After using the first boost, it takes 1 hour to make sure it refills back again to full. Okay, that's another one. Then again, in the same boost, please, when you get started again, try to be upgrading. That's if you have time to be tapping, try to upgrade your multi-tap to make you earn more. For example, when you start, I think when you tap, it only adds like 2. It only adds 2 per tap, but as you upgrade it using this multi-tap, 2, when you tap it becomes 4 or 3. As you keep upgrading, you need a lot of coins to be upgrading it. You get to even up to, I think, 20. But for me, since I'm not really tapping much, I just decided to stop at 15. As you can see, I earn 15 per tap. Can you see? I earn 15 per tap. I earn 15 per tap. Okay, that is it. So I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe to the channel so that I'm able to drop you more updates about. I'm going to go back to what we check. Can you see? It's now unlocked. It's now unlocked. Can you see? Imagine trading 75. It's now unlocked. Can you see? Instead of seeing the padlock again, it has disappeared. Why? Because I've met the criteria they wanted me to meet. Do you understand? Okay, so please always pay attention. This is the simple thing you need to know about unlocking any level of any hidden card for you. Okay, now let's just try one more time. Can you see that this my DAO is also locked? But look at the requirement. They require me to unlock by inviting 4 friends. Do you understand? For me to unlock it, I need to invite 4 friends, and then it will be unlocked. So like I said, in case you're looking for it and you don't find it under markets, scroll to PR. Just take your time. It requires patience. Just take your time and gently look at this. Okay, here is another one. Coindex. Can you see Coindex? Coindex require me to have Coin Telegraph level 10. Now you will down scroll and look for 10 Coin Telegraph. Can you see? Here's my Coin Telegraph, and I'm currently on level 8. Let's upgrade it. Now I'm on level 9. Can you see? Now I'm level 9. Now let's go. Boom, I'm on level 10. Now automatically you can see Coindex has automatically been unlocked, so you can now unlock it. When you buy a card like this, you keep, now before buying, can you notice that, for example, let me come to Coindex. Can you see Coin Telegraph? Can you see it there? Can you see that level 10 pays me 558 profits per hour? Now it adds up to this particular profits per hour here at the top. Can you see it? So what you need to do is, this is what I always say. For me, if you're starting, for example, you only have limited money, right? Look for the ones with a higher return. Look for the ones with a higher return. For example, let me show you. I think this one we just unlocked before now had a higher return. Look for the ones with higher return. For example, can you see this one? It says if I pay this 8,227 for this license Nigeria, it's going to add 273, making a total of 1.7 for them in from this particular card. Can you see it? So when you're starting, please look for the ones that are more lucrative, the ones that have a lesser investment but a higher reward. Okay, don't go for these ones with, like for example, this one with 400 and something. If you're just starting, if you've not gathered the millions first, please just start with the little ones first, so that you can be able to have a higher profits per hour coming in that will now be accumulating, so that even when you are out, by the time you return, you will now find them. Things like this and other relevant ways to make money legitimately. Please, if you're looking for how to earn extra $20 to $50 every single day, and you have some little capital, feel free to click on the link in my description to check out a presentation of a very wonderful platform which we are using to earn through automated system. Okay, all right, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.